From the past to the future, from the formation of life on Earth to Mars, where we came from and where we are going. Here, we do not belong to space and time, and we will travel to any time we want. It sounds exciting. In this episode, let's go to a time when time still had no concept. To make this journey, we will need imagination. In other words, our time ship works with your imagination. But imagination alone is not enough, because the reality of nature is far more wondrous than anything we can imagine. Now, take your seat in our time ships and enjoy the long journey ahead of us.
3, 2, 1.
In the beginning, there was nothing. Nothing but the silence of an infinite darkness. And after that, God decided to remove the world from this monotony. And suddenly, He snapped it. Or at least, I think so. This is where our story began. The Big Bang. The Big Bang Theory proposes that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, approximately 13.8 billion years ago. This singularity then rapidly expanded, giving rise to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. The evidence for this theory comes from observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements in the universe, and the redshift of distant galaxies. Now you are watching the universe, big and unimaginable. Where are we? We do not exist yet. What is the world made of now? Quarks. In the beginning of the world, the universe was filled with quarks, which are fundamental particles that are the building blocks of protons and neutrons. These quarks were present in high energy conditions shortly after the Big Bang, and as the universe expanded and cooled, they combined to form protons and neutrons, which eventually came together to form the first atoms. Quarks played a crucial role in the early stages of the universe's development, and their interactions continue to shape up the structure and behavior of matter today. Later, electrons have joined them. Congratulations! The world is forming and full of gas. Gases come together. They are getting closer and closer and closer, and a star appeared from heavier and more diverse elements. Some of those stars died. Some of them produced a big explosion while dying, and more serious elements were formed. Supernova. There is 100 billion suns, but which one is ours? It's not yet born. It will rise from the ashes of another stars. You know, to make the oxygen we breathe, the carbon in our muscles, the calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, all of it was cooked in the fiery hearts of the long-vanished stars. You, me, everyone, we are made of star stuff. As a result of space dust, a beautiful star was born. Bright, warm, and of course, big. The process of the sun's formation took place around 4.6 billion years ago, and it continues to shine as a result of a nuclear fusion reactions in the core, where hydrogen atoms are converted into heliums, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. This energy is what provides light and heat to our planet and sustains life on Earth. The Earth was formed as a part of this process of a solar system formation. It is believed that the Earth began as a hot molten mass that eventually cooled and solidified over time. Something is approaching, a meteor, and hit the Earth. The moon appeared. Earth's climate has changed, and a meteor shower has started on Earth. Some of those had water in them, and they brought water with them to the Earth. Water vapor occurred on Earth, and the Earth's climate became favorable. It became colder, there was no more lava material, and then it rained. Now we had an ocean. Oh, something is alive in the water. Nope, it's a microscopic speck in which chemical reactions take place. But where did this come from? No one knows for sure. Maybe it came from another place, from another galaxy, through meteorites. As life evolved diversified in the oceans, some organisms eventually made the transition from water to land, leading to the development of a terrestrial life. 3 billion years ago, a bacterium made a mistake and made changes in its DNA structure. By means of this change, bacteria were divided in two groups: those that had the ability to see sunlight in water and those that did not. Those that did were attracted to sunlight and could photosynthesize due to changes that occurred in their DNA. After that, oxygen spread in the world and the sky became blue and breathable. In the water now, we have the sponges, planets, worms, weird strange water bugs, and strange fish. But I have a question. Animals can go on land now? Not until ozone was created. This ozone layer primarily occurs in the stratosphere, where the ozone layer is located, and is crucial for protecting the Earth from harmful UV radiation. Alright animals, now you can come out from water. Look there, one of them is trying to get out of the water. This is Tiktaalik. Tiktaaliks are a group of extinct fish-like creatures that are believed to be one of the first animals to have evolved limbs and the ability to move onto land. 50 million years later. How did they get so big? Oh my god, extinction is coming. Successive extinctions like Ordovician, Devonian, Permian, Triassic, and of course, Cretaceous. After that time, Dinosaurs gone, and mammals remained. Their breasts had delicious milk glands. Look there, some of these mammals have claws. They created fire, they learned to talk. The evolution of a human from monkeys is a complex and fascinating process that spans millions of years. While humans and monkeys share a common ancestors, it is important to note that humans did not evolve directly from modern day monkeys. Instead, both humans and modern day monkeys evolved from a common ancestors that lived millions of years ago. And now here we are, a human, strong and seemingly wise. There began a revolution in the way we live. Our ancestors learned how to shape their environment, taming wild plants and animals, cultivating land, and settling down. This changed everything for the first time in our history. We had more stuff than we could carry. And of course, we invented writing. Hatred, lies, and jealousy between people increased, and war started between them. Many wars. Brother against brother, nation against nation, man against creation. We murder each other. We broke the world. We did this. We shattered, and now we are moving towards the future. We passed the Bronze Age, the Iron Age, the Middle Ages, the ages of discovery, the scientific and revolutionary industrial revolution, and the atomic ages. And now we are thinking about providing conditions for life on Mars. We are looking for a way to reach the speed of light and travel to other galaxies. Our beautiful planet, Earth, will be destroyed and the sun will die. Everything will collapse and there will be no escape. Everything is very close together. And who knows? Another Big Bang, a new world, a new story. The story repeats itself.
Man, when I think about it, I said to myself that it's not worth it. All our stresses and worries are a drain, and in the end, it's supposed to disappear. And finally, not even a shadow of our memories will remain. So instead of regretting the past and worrying about the future, I'm trying to enjoy the present. Until next episode, be safe, be kind, and thanks for watching us.